What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So last time I was at the lake, I ended up finding these sunglasses and this old crusty rod. So today I'm going to try and fish with this old rod, hopefully restore it and catch some fish at the creek today. Hopefully we can make it happen. This rod is pretty crusty, but it still seems to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and try and catch at least one fish on it. All right, everybody, I have finished cleaning this rod up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a reel on it, but it was mainly just taking off some dirt, nothing too complicated, and it has some pretty good action. The eyelids are in pretty good condition. Many people at the lake would have probably passed this up and just saw it as a piece of junk, but it was just laying there and I saw potential in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the creek and try and land some fish, head over to Walmart, get some worms. All right, everybody, so I've made it to the creek. I'm gonna go ahead and rig up this old rod that I found at the lake. So I'm just gonna put the little reel that I had on my previous bluegill rod. Honestly, this rod is not in a bad condition. Hopefully we can catch some bluegills today. I really don't have that much time to make it happen. I think we should be able to catch some. Be kind of cool, try and catch some on this specific rod. And hopefully, just hopefully, we can land some bluegill. I'm gonna try and catch at least like 5 today, maybe one big one. That might be asking for a lot, but we'll see if we can make it happen, catch some fish with this rod that I found at the lake. We'll see how it works, how it performs, and we'll get to catching some fish, everyone. I got one, everyone. First bluegill of the day. I was wondering why I wasn't catching any. I had like 10 bluegill around my bait. Not a single one was taking it. First nice bluegill of the day right there. Drop them back in the water. This rod actually held up pretty good, pretty fun, not gonna lie. I've been recording for 4 minutes trying to catch one of these bluegill, trying to figure them out where they want it, and kind of just let it sit on the bottom. That seemed to work. I put a little weight on it, keep trying for some bluegill, see if we can catch some more. All right, so in the other spot there was a ton of bluegill. The problem was I wasn't getting any bites. Come to this area where the waterfall is at, and a few years ago I remember tying on some bobbers and casting my line out there. So I'm gonna be doing that, basically like traditional bluegill fishing with the bobber. See if I can land some more bluegill with this rod. Right there's probably not a good spot. So oh wow, I got murked right away. That was quick. So there are bluegill here. My drag's a little too loose. Nearly as I said how that wasn't a good spot. That was cool. All right, so I'll cast my bobber there again. This seems like way better than the last spot, seeing as I just got murked instantly. And again, there we go, got him. These fish are not as pressured as over there. A lot of people might not know this method, and of course I just gave it away, but pretty cool. Little bluegill right there, not a bad fish. This rod is holding up pretty good. All right, everyone, I've made it to the next spot of the day. You probably recognize this spot. I've been here before. Water is extremely clear today, so I have to be kind of stealthy when catching these fish, but theoretically I should be able to catch these fish. They're pretty easy to catch last time. A lot of current here. I might try maybe one more spot after this, not too sure. Depends on how many fish I catch. Probably won't move spots, but I'll give it a shot. Found some more worm, try and land some more bluegill. Got one, everyone. First bluegill in the new spot. All right, so there we go, everyone. First bluegill in the new little spot. Not a bad fish. He ate it pretty quickly. Throw him back in the water. There he goes. Got one. Oh my god, these things are so fun. They're not giant, but they're so fun. What is this, the 4th bluegill of the day? Almost to my goal of 5 bluegill. Man, they always annihilate these little hooks. All right, I got the hook out. There goes a fish. I just smacked him on the ground. Put him back in the water before he gets a concussion. Oh my gosh. All right, we're almost to our goal. We need one more fish. I'm gonna keep fishing either way, try and catch some more. It's pretty cool seeing these fish munch. The water's extremely clear, so not a bad day so far. We landed some fish. I'm gonna keep fishing, try and catch some more. Just like if that's a fish, that's giant. The bait's gone. I think there's a fish there. Right there. Oh my god, I just got murked. What is that? Oh my god. Come on. What is that? I think that's a bass, everyone. That is a bass. That is a bass. That is definitely a bass. Oh my god, it's a nice bass too. Oh my god. No way. Look at that, everyone. Look at that. Oh my God. Get over here, buddy. Get over here. Look at that, everyone. Oh my God. Look at that little creek bass. Chubby little bass. Oh my God, you're actually joking, right? There's probably like 3 or 4 there. Oh my God, look at that, everyone. Nice little creek bass. That is insane. I couldn't even reel them in. I had to tighten my drag because I have my drag set for bluegill. This is crazy. Go ahead and let this fish go. That was actually insane. There he goes back in the water. Oh my gosh, there's probably like 3 of them. I think that's why I thought I was snagged last time, but I wasn't. Might have just been a bass. I did not think I was gonna catch a bass today. That was actually insane. They're very eager to eat, so I'm gonna make a few more casts there. It's a little tricky to make casts there, but boy, it's worth it. So definitely the bigger bluegill of this creek and the bass like to hang out right there. It's a little shady area, deep pocket, and that's where they hang out. I think I casted in the right spot. Yep, I got another one. I got another one. What is that? I think that's a bluegill. Oh my God, he has a follower. A follower. He has a follower. What is that? What is that? Is that a bass? Is that a bass? Oh my God, that is a giant bluegill or whatever this is. Let me know down in the comments what you think this is. I have no idea what this thing is. Here we go. 6th fish of the day. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you think this is. Like I said, I've asked many times. I've asked a ton of people and nobody knows what this fish is. And I've caught several of them. Back in the water he goes. See if I can catch another one. There might be another bass there. I don't know. I did not think I was going to catch a bass today or even a big fish like that. I might have a fish on. Oh, I have a fish on. And he's in the branch. And he's in the water now. They're stacked up in there. And this is a decent bluegill too. He might have inhaled my... Yeah, I need my pliers. There we go, everybody. 7th bluegill of the day right there. Not a bad fish. Go ahead and toss him back in the water. There he goes. See if we can catch some more. This is so fun. All right, this cast. That's the cast. Cast of the century right there. I'm getting munched. Got him. Got him. That's big. That's big. That's big. Big bluegill. Giant bluegill. Oh my God. I need to land this guy. I need to land him. Oh my gosh. This is giant bluegill. Giant bluegill, everyone. No, he came off. That was bigger than my hand. I am so freaking salty about that one. I didn't even think bluegill can get that size here in this creek. I am very salty about that one. All right, everybody, I forgot to film an outro the other day for this video, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. The creek mission was a pretty fun video to film. Not a bad day. I caught some pretty good fish, including that bass. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all enjoyed it, leave a like on the video, comment, and subscribe for future content just like this. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.